Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy earring pattern. It's quick to make, beginner friendly and perfect if you are looking for a handmade accessory. Let's get started. This is the material I have used to make the earrings. This is 100% polyester Apple brand T20. Along with that, I have used the 1.25mm steel crochet hook. But today in the tutorial, I'll be using milk cotton yarn along with the 3mm steel crochet hook for you to see the stitches clearly. Now let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then we need to chain 2, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. After that, I'm going to make 24 double crochets inside the magic ring. To make the double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Like that we will continue. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Now we have to repeat the pattern and complete up to 24 double crochets. So we will go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. I'm going to pull this tail a little to make it smaller, like so, and then continue. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now I have completed 24 double crochets into the magic ring, and then we will pull this tail tight to make it smaller, like so. To join the round, what I'm going to do is just insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first double crochet over here. Yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. That is a slip stitch. And then we will get started with the second round. There we need to chain 4, yarn over and pull through the loop. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then work a double crochet into the very next stitch. And then chain 1, again work a double crochet into the next stitch. Now this is the pattern we are going to repeat until the end of the round. Chain 1 and a double crochet. Again chain 1 and a double crochet. Chain 1 and a double crochet. Like that we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round 2, and then we are going to finish off the work by working a half double crochet into the third chain from the starting point of the round. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain, 1 2 3. This is the third chain. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. With that, we have completed the second round as well. And then we will start with the third round, chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and then work a double crochet into the very same space here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we will skip the next chain 1 space here and go into the second chain 1 space and work 2 double crochets into the space, 1 and 2. Now chain 1 and work another 2 double crochets into the same chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Again, skip the next chain 1 space and go into the second chain 1 space here and do the same pattern, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets, 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and another 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat all around the third round. Skip the next chain 1 space, go into this second chain 1 space and work 2 double crochets, chain 1 and another 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. We will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round 3, and then I'm going to go into the space over here in the starting point and work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point, 1 2 3. This is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the crochet part of the earring. And then chain 1, leave a little tail, and I'm gonna cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail. Now this is the exact same thing I have done by using the thinner material, and you can see the difference of the size. And then we will see how to attach all these pieces together to complete the earrings. I'm going to open up the jump ring and attach it to a bead like this to decorate. That is completely optional. And then I'm going to attach the jump ring into a stitch here as well, and close it up. After that, we can slide the hook ear wire in and secure. And that's it. We will complete the other one also just like the same. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these crochet earrings with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share your creations in the comments. See you in the next one.